ini dia. This the dessert. I made it by myself. Dessert of Father's Day. Hai semua. Hi guys. Tak allemaal. Welkom op mijn YouTube kanaal Homemade Recipe Inang Belgium. So today I will share about the menu for Father's Day. Can give you idea the menu for Father's Day. So vandaag is Father's Dag in België. So ik wil met jullie delen over de menu voor Vaderdag. Idee voor de menu voor Vaderdag. Happy Father's Days. Gelukkige Vadersdag. So this one of the menu for the Father Day. Lumpia. Lumpia paper and this from rice paper, but it's already ready to use. You can buy in supermarket. This to fill it in a lumpia and egg. Ini dia lumpianya sudah jadi. Lumpia is ready for 40 pieces. About this one I will fry it first, and this for later. Buatan sendiri tuh. Isinya banyak tuh, banyak isinya tuh. Kayak di dalam gitu. Banyak jadinya. Isinya dengan sayur yang segar. Made it by Inang Belgium with the fresh vegetable and fresh ingredients. Habis itu mau digoreng seperti ini tuh, tunggu minyaknya panas, wait until the udah mulai panas. Yang ini baru selesai digoreng ya. This lumpia after fried. Delicious, tasty, healthy, and easy to make it at home. And the rest I will fry it later. When this one finish, I will fry this one. Isinya banyak, so it's about 50 pieces. Tuh. Mari makan. Enak banget deh. Pakai saus, with the sauce. Ini untuk this one for the breakfast. This for the breakfast. Healthy breakfast, because this with cereal bread like this. That's really good for your digestive system. Yes. And I made also this chocolate bar. And put it in the oven. Okay. This the menu for special hour breakfast. Our breakfast on Saturday. Yummy, tasty and healthy. And this breakfast contain with calcium, and the cheese also have a calcium. It's really good for our bone. And strawberry contain with vitamin C, and this cereal bread contain with fiber, and it's really good for our digestive system. And orange juice, the fresh orange juice. Smart look eaten. Enjoy my meal. Enjoy your meal. This is the gift on a Father Day. Special gift on a Father Day. Curious, right? What is inside? This is my daughter make it. Has made it. It's cool. Happy Father's Day. This is one of the menu to make the sushi. So I will make a sushi made by in Belgium. The sushi leaf. Okay. Enak banget loh nanti. With this sesame sauce, I made it by myself. Sesame sauce. This and this. And don't forget to use the sushi leaf like this. This will make sushi by Inang Belgium. Okay, this is one of our menu for lunch on Father Day. Enjoy your meal. Bon appetit. Smaak Smakelijk eten allemaal. Selamat makan semua. Chocolate bread or cereal bread with this one. This the sesame sauce for the sushi, and this sauce, sweet sour sauce, is for the lumpia. That's for the lumpia. And this sushi, two kind of sushi with fish salmon and with the crab sushi with fresh ingredients. And lumpia made by Inang, Belgium. Tasty, healthy. This for the lunch menu, one of the lunch menu for us. Enjoy your meal, bon appetit, smakelijk eten allemaal, selamat makan. So for dinner, I made the scampi. Scampi is shrimp, fried shrimp with broccoli and cauliflower, ribs, pork and ribs, and potato salad. I will show you. This the potato salad, because potato is low with carbs and low carbohydrate. Daaplan is minder koolhydraat, en deze ook broccoli met bloemkool. Okay, this is the pork ribs. This one. Look, with that sauce. It's with fresh ingredients. Delicious, tasty, healthy. And the shrimp. I fried this shrimp with very little oil, not too much oil, because if too much oil is it's not good for the health. I marinate first this with the fresh ingredient, this shrimp, and after that I fried it. So this for the dinner, for our dinner for Father's Days. This is warm malted for Father's Day. The day of Father's Day. Dit is verse aardappelen, This fresh potato. Smakelijk eten allemaal. Bon appetit. Enjoy your meal. so tasty and delicious and so healthy. Smakelijk eten. Bon appetit. Nah, ini dia. This the dessert. I made it by myself. Dessert of Father's Day. Enak banget loh, so tasty and healthy. Full of vitamin and mineral. Made by Inang, Belgium. Wow. Selamat mencoba. This give you idea for the dessert. That's the white things. I put a sugar, a bit soup. Tasty and so healthy. What do you think about this menu of Father's Day today? Please let me know any idea of the feedback on the link below on the comment column. Thank you for watching my video today. Hopefully to see you again on my next video. Thank you and have a great day. Bedankt allemaal om te kijken voor mijn video deze keer. Hopelijk tot binnenkort. Dank u wel. Groetjes van Inang, Belgium. Tot volgende keer. Fijne dag nog. I'll see you again on my next video. YouTube channel Inang, Belgium. Of homemade recipe Inang, Belgium. Of in vlog Inang, Belgium. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye everyone. Bye bye. Okay, that's with mocha. The layer with mocha.